Let's find the differentials of the following functions. For number 1, we have here y is equals to x cubed minus 2x, and the number 2 is x cubed plus y cubed minus 3a xy is equals to 0. Ang gagamitin po natin na approach is the differential method. Pero bago po yun, consider muna natin ito. The differential of the independent variable x is equals to the increment of that variable. So when it's increment, that's the change. In this case, we have to replace x here as dx kung y dy. So dx is equivalent to the change of x or the increment of x. Let's consider example number 1. Kung titingnan natin number 1, this is your answer. Yung dy, y rather, palit lang tayo ng dy. So that's the change of y. Then we just simply multiply 3 times 1, that's equals to 3, subtract by 1, that's equals to squared. Then, dagdag tayo ng dx. Then, next is, again, tatanda na meron ditong 1 times 2, that's equals to 2 pa rin po. Since mawawala na po yung x na yan, magiging 0 po yun, magiging 0 raised to the x raised to the 0 power is equals to 1. So, pag wala nang natira, ang idadagdag natin dx. So, that's dito. Dx pa rin po. Then, that's your final answer. For example number 2, we have here x cubed plus y cubed minus 3ay is equals to 0. The same process po tayo, just multiply 3 times 1, that's equals to 3. Subtract by 1, 2. Remember na nagsasubtract tayo naman dito. Then, just add the x. The same, we have the operation y, 3 times 1, 3, then subtract by 1, that's equals to squared. Then, add dy, minus your operation here. Just separate first. We have our 3a, since it's a constant, yung xy, separate po natin yung y dx. Mauna po yung x and x dy naman po sa kabila. Now for that, next is to distribute the given expressions. Ito po, we just copy for this. Drop lang po yun, drop down. Ito po yun. Then we distribute this. We just multiply, that's equals to 3ay dx. Multiply the sign, that's equals to negative. And multiply, that's equals to 3a dy, which is equals to 0. Let's proceed for the next one. Yung similar terms, pag ihiwalayin po natin from left to right. So yung may dy nasa left side, we have your dy. Yung may dx po nasa right side. Then after natin na ma-separate to equate in that form, we need first to find for their common factor. Their common factor ay 3, both sides. So yung 3 ilalabas po natin, pero meron din po silang common factor na dy. Yung dy dito po natin ilalagay. Then yung remaining na yung y squared sa loob, yung atin pong ax dito sa loob. The same ang gagawin sa kabila. So we have here 3, then itong dalawa, then yung atin pong dx dito sa right side, yung remaining baba natin, yung x squared. After that, tapos na tayo. Pero, we have first to divide so that dy will remain. So divide natin both sides by 3 quantity y squared minus ax both sides po tayo. Ibig sabihin nun, ang ating maging divisor ay ito mismo. Para, ang maiwan na lang ay dy. So, dy will remain. Ibig sabihin nun, cancel out na to, cancel out na to. Cancel out yung 3. Ang matitira po natin ay ito. And therefore, our final answer is equals to dy is equals to ax minus x squared dx all over y squared minus dx. Have a nice day.